Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to do a deep clean of my kitchen. So here's the setup. Although I wouldn't mind having a bigger kitchen, I love the L shape that I have here between the sink, the stove, range, and then the refrigerator. It works perfectly for me. So today I'm going to be cleaning the grates of my Blue Star. You can see they have a lot of stuff on them. Let me go from the sides here. And just to show you how easy they are to clean, I cooked some chicken last night and I'm just getting that cleaned up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so my grates are heavily seasoned. I've been using these for like 3 or 4 years now, so it's not going to take a lot to get them clean. And I won't use soap. Just going to do a quick rinse down first. I'm going to use this steel wool, but use it very lightly just to skim over the top. You see that just pops right off. And the more you use your grates, the more seasoning they'll have, the more seasoned they'll be, and the easier to clean up. So if you're a new Blue Star owner, don't worry, it gets better. Dealing with cast iron can be a bit daunting. Now I'm going to just run my fingers over these to make sure I got everything. Make sure there are no sticky spots. If there's a sticky spot, you want to just use a little bit more pressure with this, with your steel wool. Make sure it doesn't stay. So I'm going to flip them on this side. Rinse, and then, even though I don't think I cooked anything down at that end. Now, what we're going to do is sometimes if you're cooking a thick meat on there, so we want to make sure that we don't have the back of our grates are not caked on. So just a light brushing of this. Okay. You probably even use a sponge too. And in between here, you may find that you have some stuff stuck in there, so especially towards the end. So I'm just going to go through that with my finger to make sure I don't have anything caked in there. I'm going to check for sticky. No sticky, so that's good. So I'm going to dry these off, and then I will put some peanut oil on them, and then heat them up over the back over the Blue Star there, and just let them cool down, and that'll be it. Okay, so first I'm going to heat them up just a little bit, and then I'll turn it off and let it cool down, and go ahead and apply the oil. Oil, that's 2 syllables, okay? If you're from North Carolina, oil is 2 syllables. Okay, I'm just going to turn this off and leave it there and come back in maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so I have range is cooled down. Everything is dry. So I'm just going to pop this up. Make sure I don't burn myself. It's not okay. Lay that over to the side. I already cleaned the grate as well, the baffle. So in the manual, Blue Star manual, they recommend corn oil, I think. Oil. You can't do it in 1 syllable, I lied. Alright. So I'm just going to get a little bit of this on here. Just kind of feel everything. Feels good. Just going to rub this on the top and then try to get in between the grates too. If you listen to an earlier video, you'll see where I told you that I clean the cast iron with oil. And that process involves wiping it on and wiping it off. You make several passes until you get less and less of this. So this is between the grates where I'm picking up a lot of the char. Alright. Let's flip this over. Well, actually, I can, getting it between the grates here. Flip this puppy over, get some more oil. Okay, I'm messing with y'all. Make sure I get it everywhere. Alright, this one's done. It's beautiful. Alright. So that's basically how you do it, and then I will turn on the burners again, probably let them run for about 5 minutes solid. This only did like 1 or 2 minutes, probably one minute, just to dry them off quickly. And then just so that will just kind of dry on there. I'm not going to do a full seasoning where you leave it on for like an hour. It's just not necessary. All right, I will show you the end result. Okay, so I finished cleaning. I heated these up for about 5 minutes, probably a little bit under. And what this will do, it'll make it a lot easier to clean the next time you use it. I don't do this after every time I cook meat or something fatty, but it just helps a lot. I also, if you saw in the earlier video, I season my grates after I clean them, and it makes them a lot easier to clean up. If you do it every, I don't know, a few times a year, maybe twice, it will help to prevent staining of your cast iron. All right, so that is it. Very easy to do. I'll say 10 minutes, and like I said, you don't have to do this every time that you cook with meat, but it helps every few times you do it. So this will be the first time I've done it this year. All right, y'all take care.